In Zeno Page Builder, you can design theme sections and insert into your theme pages. Under the Theme Sections menu, you can click on New Section, and you can select a template. For this tutorial, I will start from blank section. Set a name for it. Then click on Create Section. Here we are inside the editor that we can edit the section. Now let's get started to design our section. I will first insert a row element. On the left column, I will insert some headings. Change the style for this heading. And center it. Below it, I want to add another heading. Adjust the font size. And also center it. I want to add a text element here. Remove some text. And change the color. Center it. I want to add another heading here. Center it and change the color. And finally, a button. Change the text to view more. Add some spacing so it is more clear. It looks like this. In the right column, I want to add an image and upload the image. Click on the row element. Vertical alignment, I set it to center. It looks like this. I will click on Save and publish the section. Back into Shopify admin, I can use the section by going to Online Store. Under the Themes section, click on Customize the theme. Let's say I want to insert the section here. I will look for Zeno section and choose the section. Wooden chairs section here. It looks like this. I can save. Let's view it. And it looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.